Hello, friends! Right now, we are going to show you 5 best portable mini sewing machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 7. This beginner-friendly sewing machine in white and blue is a great first machine for new sewists and hobbyists. It features 12 built-in stitches and dual speed control, high and low, that make learning easy and adapting to different projects seamless. The portable, lightweight design makes it perfect for small spaces, craft corners, or taking to classes. The included 20-piece fabric bundle and 32 sewing threads add excellent value, giving you plenty of materials to start creating right away. Operation is intuitive, and the machine handles basic fabrics like cotton and blend smoothly. While not suited for heavy-duty fabrics, it's ideal for repairs, simple garments, crafts, and practice projects. Overall, this sewing machine offers reliable performance, useful extras, and excellent value for beginner sewists. Number 6. The Handheld dual-speed sewing machine in white is a convenient and compact solution for quick sewing jobs at home or on the go. Its lightweight, portable design makes it ideal for beginners, adults, DIY projects, and travel repairs. The dual speed function lets you choose between slow and fast stitching, giving better control for different tasks. Setup is simple. Just insert the thread and go. No bulky parts or complicated instructions. It handles lightweight to medium fabrics well, perfect for hemming, patching, and crafting. While it won't replace a full-size machine for heavy fabrics, it's incredibly handy for everyday fixes in small creative projects. The ergonomic grip makes handheld sewing comfortable, and its size fits easily in a bag. Overall, this mini sewing machine offers practical performance and great value for casual sewers. Number 5. This kids' sewing machine in festive red is a delightful and safe introduction to sewing for kids and beginners. The included finger guard gives parents peace of mind, while the Christmas DIY bag material adds a fun project right out of the box. The mini electric machine is lightweight and easy for small hands to manage, with a simple foot pedal that helps children learn coordination and control. It's perfect for basic stitching, crafts, small repairs, and holiday-themed projects. Setup is quick and intuitive, and the machine runs smoothly on lightweight fabrics. While not designed for heavy-duty sewing, it handles beginner tasks confidently and makes learning enjoyable. A charming gift for young makers, this sewing machine encourages creativity and skill building with delightful results. Number 4. The KPPCB Tech Sewing Machine for Beginners is a fantastic starter machine that makes learning to sew easy and enjoyable. This full set comes with helpful extras like a finger guard for safety, fabric bundles to practice on, and a generous sewing kit with essential tools. The included foot pedal and extension table give you greater control and workspace, while the US adapter ensures easy setup right away. Its compact size is perfect for small spaces, beginner sewists, and casual projects. Stitch quality is smooth on lightweight to medium fabrics, and the intuitive design means you can start sewing quickly with minimal frustration. Perfect for hemming, mending, crafts, and simple garments, this machine delivers excellent value and is a wonderful choice for anyone starting their sewing journey. Number 3. This handheld sewing machine is a charming and practical tool for quick fixes and light sewing tasks around the home. Its mini, cordless design makes it incredibly portable and easy to use anywhere, no bulky setup required. The package includes an elegant wooden sewing box and a 153-piece sewing kit, giving you all the essentials for mending, hemming, and basic projects right out of the box. Beginners and adults alike will appreciate how simple it is to operate, while the lightweight build makes it ideal for on-the-go repairs. It handles lightweight to medium fabrics with reasonable ease, though heavier materials may challenge its power. The stylish wooden case keeps accessories tidy and adds a lovely touch to your craft space. Overall, this handheld machine is a delightful, convenient solution for everyday sewing needs and a great gift idea. Number 2. The CraftBud Mini Sewing Machine is a delightful starter machine for both kids and adults. Its dual speed control makes it easy to adjust pace as confidence grows, and the included extension table gives extra workspace for larger projects. This portable, lightweight machine is great for small spaces, classrooms, or craft corners. The generous 122-piece gift set elevates the experience with a variety of fabrics, tools, accessories, and a helpful project book that inspires creativity right away. A built-in light keeps your work well illuminated, making stitching more comfortable and precise. While this machine is best suited for lighter materials and beginner projects, it delivers smooth stitching and straightforward operation. Perfect as a gift or an introduction to sewing, the CraftBud machine makes learning fun and rewarding, an excellent value for anyone starting their sewing journey. Number 1. This portable mini electric sewing machine is a fun and affordable entry-level tool for beginners and casual sewists. With 12 built-in stitches, it covers basic needs like straight, zigzag, and stretch stitches, perfect for simple repairs, hemming, and small projects. The 2-speed control plus foot pedal gives you options for comfortable sewing at your own pace, making it easy to learn and grow your skills. It's lightweight and easy to move, ideal for small spaces or craft rooms. The built-in light helps illuminate your work area, reducing eye strain on tricky seams. A handy storage drawer keeps accessories organized and accessible. While not designed for heavy fabrics, it handles cotton and light materials well. Overall, this mini sewing machine delivers great value for beginners and casual users who want an easy, practical machine to start sewing with confidence.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.